Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power capability. Make sure the charger and cable are rated for super fast charging, and the phone actually supports that standard. Next, inspect the USB-C tip and port for lint or bent pins. Clean gently with compressed air once powered off. Then reboot the device to clear transient software lockups and verify battery level is sufficient for fast mode. Once done, try a known good cable and wall adapter to isolate hardware from software causes. Now you run deeper diagnostics. Enable any built-in charging or USB logs and look for the fast charge handshake flag. If logs show no handshake, swap the charger to a second compatible phone. If it fast charges, the adapter is fine and the issue is the phone. Next, boot your phone into safe mode or recovery to eliminate third-party apps or OS corruption blocking the protocol. Finally, inspect battery health and charging IC temperature. Overheating will throttle or disable fast charge, so cool the device first. For final fixes, replace the cable and adapter if multiple devices fail to handshake with your original kit. Inexpensive replacements often resolve the issue. If the hardware set is fine, update or reflash the phone firmware, and only as a last resort, do a factory reset to rule out software corruption. If problems persist after that, you likely need professional repair, damaged port, worn battery, or failed charging IC. If that happens, get a diagnostic repair quote and mention the handshake logs when you hand it over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.